Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Today I want to share with you 3 of the many ways to serve and enjoy the sweet potato tortilla that we made in the last video. First up is the corn quesadilla. It's 100% customizable. You can use whatever type of vegetable or cheese you like, but in this video, I'm using sweet potato tortilla with grated quick melt cheese, drained corn kernels, and freshly ground pepper. On a preheated pan, place your tortilla, then take a handful of grated quick melt cheese and scatter over the top. Add a spoonful of corn kernels and sprinkle freshly ground pepper. Fold it in half and press down slightly. Cook for about a minute or until slightly golden and toasted. Flip and cook the other side for another minute or until the cheese has been fully melted. Then transfer to a serving plate. Slice each quesadilla in half. Serve warm with either ketchup, salsa, or guacamole. Our next recipe is tortilla chips with chunky tomato salsa. This is the healthy version of your ultimate comfort and party food. We'll need tomatoes, bell pepper, red onion, spring onion, one soy, lemon, olive oil, salt, and pepper. In a pot with steaming hot water, add whole tomatoes. Cook until soft for 10 to 15 minutes until skin is loose. Remove from pot and transfer to a clean bowl. Let them cool, then peel off the skin. Crush with a fork to release some of the juice. Then chop into small pieces. In another bowl, add the following: cooked and chopped tomatoes, fresh chopped tomatoes, onion, bell peppers, one soy, and spring onion. Then mix lightly. Squeeze half a lemon and be sure to remove the seeds. Then add olive oil, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Set aside while we prepare the sweet potato tortilla chips. To make the tortilla chips, simply cook the tortilla longer on each side in a pan over medium heat until the tortilla is toasted to a crisp. Afterwards, once cool, use hands to tear the tortilla into small pieces. Then transfer to a serving plate. Serve with the chunky tomato salsa you've made. Perfect for everyday snack and game nights. Our final recipe makes use of the tortilla to make mini pizza. For the spicy tuna pizza, you'll need tortilla, cheddar cheese, quick melt cheese, canned tuna, red bell pepper, button mushrooms, and jalapenos. For the tuna, corn, and pesto pizza, you'll need tortilla, cheddar cheese, quick melt cheese, canned tuna, pesto sauce, corn kernels, and basil. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lay tortilla on a clean plate, then layer up the toppings. Healthier than your average pizza. It's easy, tasty, and definitely cheaper. Thanks for watching.